दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है दिलीप सिंह कर्रा एंड ये मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल है मर्चेंट मीडिया। जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है वो टॉपिक ये है हाउ टू फिल IMU CET एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म। We will see step by step from starting to end, and you have to follow those things. Here, very first, we will put the website which is IMU, and you will enter on that. When you will enter, you will find such kind of website. You have to click it over here. Then our official website for IMU CET will open. Then later on, here you will have one step, admission 2022 and 23. You have to click over here. When you clicking on that, it will take you on another website where you can see in this side you will have IMU CET and IMU PB. So you have to click over here. You can see apply now, and here IMU CET you have to click. So when you click on that, it will take you on another page. Here, some important dates are given. The date of commencement of this is 28/3. It started. So you will click on this. There are two things. One is new user, click for basic registration. Second is registered candidate, click here to log. Now, we have to click on the first link. Every new user will be click on the first link, not the second one, because it is necessary. You have to click on the first link only. First is new user. So you have to click over here, and whoever is done their registration, they are going to be click on second link. So that is your registered candidate. So when you have registered, then you will click on this. So I am going to click on the first link. So I have clicked it. So once I'll click it, it's going to be open. It's open. Now here, there is a things open over here. You read it very carefully. Everything is given over here. Like what are the institute, 12th, what are the things basically needed, waiting kaise dalna hai, 12th ka and all, everything is given over here. So you have to click over here. I have read and understood, agree, instructions and process for the registration. Now here, there are many confusion with the students. One is UG, BTech and BSc. Second is MBA and MTech. Right now, this video is done for 12th student only. So here you have to click. Suppose I have to click over here. Then you will put your candidate name. Suppose I am going to be put Dilip Singh. Then you have to put the name once again, Dilip Singh. Okay. You have to use the nationality. I have chosen Indian. Then gender. Now here you have to be take care category. Suppose right now I am coming in OBC and skill and I have a certificate with me. Then only I'll choose this. Otherwise, I'll choose general. If I have general EWS certificate, then only I'll choose general EWS. Now we will see one more thing. I'm just taking you in a back step. Just taking you on a back step. Here, I'll open this C. Revise category certificate format. I'll click on this. Once I'm clicking on this, you will find this is SCST. You have to sign it. Right? If you can do it, then only write it SC. Then this is the OBC NCL certificate. If you can sign it by Tehsildar, then only you will choose. Now there are many confusion in this. Like there are points, many points are mentioned, but all the point not obeyed by all the states. So what are the points basically which is obeyed by your state? You just tick on that and do the signature by the gazetted officer. And this is the same thing you will find for EWS also. You have a photograph over here and you have to sign by the Tehsildar. So this is these three format which is necessary while putting your category in this. Suppose now I am putting OBC NCL because I have a OBC NCL. So I have clicked on that. See, it is saying that, right? A correct format. So when you click on that, it is give you a correct format. I am clicking on this. It's giving me the same format is downloaded over here. When I open it, you will see that it's the same format which I needed. So this format need to be signed by the authority. which is like above Tehsildar, all are eligible. This is the same certificate we have seen. This is the same certificate we have seen. So I think everybody's understood about this. Now, this is I got it. Now, next is I'll click on this no. Okay. Now I have to write it my date of birth. So suppose I am writing my date of birth. So you have to click on this, whatever. Now there is no lower cap, right? So this is I got it my age. Now here I am going to be put mobile number, then email ID, and again I'll confirm it. Continue. Now same thing, I'll watch it. Yeah, I have done it. Now here you don't need to be confused whether you are doing DNS, BSc, Nautical Science. आपको एक ही point click करना है. Then I'll do continue and submit. Okay. Once I'll just do the submit, it will take me on the next step. Now it is giving a OTP. So I'm going to put the OTP. It's asking OTP from email also. So put the OTP. It means while putting your phone and email, you have to be take care. They should be working. So it is all done. The first step is done. Now you can see the second step is comes personal detail. So save and continue. Now here it is started. Save and continue. I'll come on the next step. Next step is personal detail, where I'll put my all the details, religion. Here you can see parents of authorization. Now these all the star points are necessary to capture. Right? I'll put my address and same address. And passport may everybody need to be put it yes. And if you don't have, then write it no. If you have NCC certificate, because there is a 5% discount in the marks and everywhere, 5% you will have a relaxation. So you have to click on the NCC certificate. This is the second step. When you save and continue, it is I haven't filled. Now this is the academic details. See, here you have to apply yes. You have to apply the passport, because if you do the no, then you are not eligible. Here it is giving a indication that you are eligible only for BTech and NAOE. So you have to do it yes over here, and you have to put your passport number over. Then how did you, whatever you can write it over here. So if somebody didn't apply for the passport, please apply today itself. Before applying in this, just apply, and then you can. Now here the preferred city. So suppose once I'll take Jaipur, second I'll take Delhi, third I'll take suppose Mumbai. Suppose I am taking Lucknow, Madurai. Okay, then save and continue. Now it's incompleted. Somewhere I haven't filled something. There is one more important thing. Here in the medical criteria, you have to say it yes. Whether you have done your medical or not, you have to write it yes only. Don't have the certificate. Do not belong from the special state. Now this is the third step. Here many things are important. Here you can see the 10th K specialization. Right, 10th May you have passed. You have to put your maximum marks. Here suppose you are putting 100 may say how much you have got 70, then your roll number, and you have to select your board. And here you do take care. While putting this, you don't need to be confused and write it the correct marks which you have got it. Now here 12th में, if you are result awaited, जैसे suppose somebody is not giving the examination all, they will click on the result awaited. वो लोग इस पे click करें. The result awaited. ठीक है? But again, these are the things जैसे roll number वगैरह they have to fill it. Now next last step is upload documents. Upload documents mean you have to upload your category certificate, your 10th mark sheet, your 12th mark sheet, your photo and your signature. These things basically uploaded in the last, and then you will get an option where you click and pay your payment. That's it. This is your work is completed over here. Now from this print application, you can print your application. So this is the entire method to fill the form. So there are many things which is very, very important. Then later on, you can do logout. Now, what is your login ID and password? Login ID and password, it is sent on your email. Just check your email. You will find that the login ID and password is given. Again, if you want to check your form, whether it is okay or not, then that time you will be click on registered candidate. Click here. Then username and password, which is given in your email, you kept it and log in, you will get your all the things. Now, important thing, you don't need to be forget these password because it is very useful at the time of your admit card, because admit card will be available with this login on. I hope everybody's got it all the things, and it may help you out for your login and putting your forms very carefully. Thank you. Thank you for the watching, and keep share to everyone so that everyone can fill this form.